Hey guys, just got a stick in the mail. It's my new battery tool, ONE NXG, custom blue. Yeah, I'm just going to be unboxing it.
You have to be careful you don't cut anything.
It's basically already unboxed with the rest shipping. Take it on to unbox.
Careful. Oh, here it is.
Custom blue. Yeah.
Pretty nice. You can take it over the price.
Okay. Yeah, I'm probably gonna take it.
Unplastic
Don't
it.
show his face, okay? I don't want you to show his face. Did you pause it?
Oh, it's hard to take off that freaking grip pack on it. Wow.
How do you feel?
Is it nice, you think?
Yes.
Oh, that feels awesome.
Incredible. Wow.
Don't show his name. Do not show his name on that. Okay, that's good.